Hi, welcome back to the workshop for episode 27 of the Great Guitar Build Off 2022. And in this episode, we're going to be getting the body out of the clamps, giving it a good clean up and having a look at what we've got. This has been in clamps now overnight, so the glue is going to be absolutely rock solid. So really only leaves us one thing to do, get all these clamps off and see what it looks like. Okay, and there is the body with the top glued on. And I'm just having a look at this, and it actually looks to have gone on really, really well. There is a little bit of clean-up work, as you can see. But all in all, I'm really happy with that. It sounds like it's going to have a bit of a nice acoustic ring to it, so that's very good. I suppose the next stage is I just need to do a little bit of cleanup on the top to get rid of a few bits of glue and where some cork has stuck to it. And that will just be a very quick. That's a quick sand and that's all good. But there is quite a bit of kind of unevenness around the body. Like we did with the back, I'm just going to get this in a vise, get a nice sharp spoke shave and start working these edges down. And hopefully you can see there's a nice tight joint all the way around this. Really happy with the way that's gone down. Now there are some parts of the top that are a little bit thicker than we might actually need. So what I will do at some point in the future, and I mean it is only kind of a mil or so, is I will just set my marking gauge to where I want it to be, and then I'll just run that gauge right the way around the perimeter, and then I can sand and kind of finesse the top back to that line just to get a nice even kind of thickness to the top. I don't know if I'm going to do binding or not on this one. Looking at the join I've got and the fact that this is actually figured maple, there might not be any need for that. We could go to some faux binding, which, disclaimer, I've never done before, so that could be interesting. But we shall just have to wait and see how things pan out. But all in all, I'm really happy with the way that this top has gone on, and I think it's given me a really nice looking body that we can work on to build into the rest of the guitar. So happy days. I've got to say, I'm really happy with the way that this has come out. I was kind of hoping to be a little bit further along with the build than I am at the moment, but I'm glad I've taken the extra time to get this where it is. I'm very happy with where we are. We're very quickly getting towards the end of the 28 days where I said I was going to be doing a video a day. This is episode 27, so we've got one more left tomorrow. I just want to take the time to say thank you very much to everyone that's tuned in and watched these videos over the last few weeks. I've had an amazing response. I've had so much good feedback, kind of made a load of new friends out of it. And it's been really nice to be able to promote some other builders as well. So all in all, it's been quite a busy month for me, but I've thoroughly enjoyed every minute of it. I'm going back tomorrow with episode 28, so make sure you tune in and catch that. Until then, hit that like button if you've enjoyed this, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll look forward to seeing you then. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.